In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to a WhatsApp group without saving their number. This is perfect when you want to bring someone into a conversation quickly without cluttering your contacts. The key is using WhatsApp's invite link feature, and it works on both mobile and desktop. Before we begin, make sure you're a group admin. Only admins can generate and manage invite links. It also helps to know whether your group has approved new participants turned on. If it's enabled, anyone who taps your link will appear as a request you can approve. If it's off, they'll join immediately after tapping the link. Start by opening WhatsApp and going to the group you manage. Tap the group name at the top to open group info. Scroll until you see Invite to Group via Link. This is your toolbox. You'll notice options like Send Link via WhatsApp, Copy Link, Share Link, and a QR code. Choose whatever fits your situation. If the person you're inviting is already chatting with you on WhatsApp but isn't saved as a contact, Send Link via WhatsApp is quick and simple. If you plan to message them through another app, or even via SMS, tap Copy Link and paste it wherever you want. If you're meeting in person or sharing on a screen, the QR code is handy. Have them scan it and they'll land on the join page right away. On WhatsApp Web or the desktop app, the flow is similar. Open the group, click its name to open group info, then look for the invite link section. Copy it and share it from your computer just like any other link. When the person taps your link, they'll see a join group button. If your group requires approval, you'll get a notification in the group's info under pending participants to accept or decline. If approval isn't required, they're in instantly. A few tips to keep things safe and tidy. Treat the invite link like a key to your group. Anyone with it can request to join or join directly, depending on your settings. If the link spreads further than you intended, go back to the same invite to group via link screen and tap Reset Link. That instantly invalidates the old one and creates a fresh link. Share links only with people you trust, and consider keeping Approve New Participants on for extra control, especially in larger or public-facing groups. That's all there is to it. Use the invite link, share it where it makes sense, approve if needed, and you're done. No contact saving required.